All right, so what do you got growing? It's wintertime, you know that, right?
Yeah. These are lettuce from last year.
This is lettuce that's been planted from last year,
Yes, sir.
and it's growing.
Still
You gotta be
growing.
kidding me.
Still growing, still good.
Really? Are you serious?
Can eat it in sandwich.
It's been growing since last year?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh. I don't believe this.
I don't use no fertilizers.
You don't use
Nothing.
no fer-
Nothing.
Wow.
The ground.
This is just the torpedo pot, right?
Mm-hmm.
Goodness gracious. Look at this.
I wish you can eat some, but you're too far.
Can you see how this will help a lot of people?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
What do you mean?
It does. I mean, you can grow your own food in your house.
Okay.
As you see, these are lettuce.
Mm-hmm.
We're in the middle of winter,
Okay.
and I still have lettuce.
Mm.
You can use it in a sandwich if you want.
Yeah. Wow.
It's
That's
salad,
amazing. Yeah.
You know, especially
Wow.
for my people, for my Latin people.
Yeah.
And they know how to grow stuff.
Yes.
But
Yes.
if they have
Yes.
they
Yes.
don't have too much land or whatever.
Yeah.
They can have
Yeah.
this in a little pot,
Yeah.
and they can have their own food.
Right. That's a brilliant move, man. That's really a brilliant move.
Not only that,
Uh-huh.
the thing with this is that you can bring it inside the house when it's too cold outside,
Right.
and you still having fruit
Uh-huh.
or vegetable, whatever you want to eat.
Okay.
Beans
Uh-huh.
grow perfectly.
Okay.
Carrot,
Okay.
and all those are good plants,
Wow.
edible plants.
Now I'm confused. You had a lot more plants out here. You had some peppers in your planters. You have other things. So where are the other planters at? Did you move some of them inside or?
No, they in the back.
Okay.
And one time I left it outside and it was frozen.
Okay,
And
okay.
So my idea then died,
Okay.
and the
Okay.
rest I ate it.
Okay.
So
So you had how many eggplants on one planter?
one planter had 2 plants,
Uh-huh.
and from those 2 plants, I had about 18 eggplants.
And how big were those eggplants?
Well, this much.
Wow, that's huge, dude. It's
Real
bigger than what you
healthy.
get in a supermarket.
Bigger.
Yeah. Oh, they're bigger?
Yeah,
Oh, wow. From a torpedo pot.
on the torpedo.
Man, dude, let me hang up this interview and go back and deal with my torpedo pot. What am I talking about?
Okay. Okay.